How to check property amenities Agoda. In order to check or update property amenities on Agoda app, you need to first of all log into your Agoda app on your device. And what here you need to do is just facilities tab in your Agoda menu to view your current offering. What you need is you just want to go to the home sections or the more account, and there you just want to go to amenities. Here you will be able to find that in the settings sections. Once you've done that, you will be able to look for these general amenities. That is under property settings. You just want to select amenities like Wi-Fi, 24 hours, or tax and parking, all that. You could also do this by going to hotels and selecting the options. There you want to go ahead and select the particular tab, and here you have these amenities, right? You could just go ahead and select see all, and this is how you're supposed to check property amenities on Agoda app. You could also select the specific room and a setup to define, for example, mini bar, air conditioning, or bathroom amenities. You could also ensure you have tapped to you have saved or updated your saved as well. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.